G'day trendsetters, I'm here with my elephant garlic that I planted about 8, maybe 9 weeks ago now, and I'd like to say I think they're doing really well, but there's always just a little bit more. But before I do that, the first thing I need to do with the magic of YouTube is get the weeds out. If only it was always that easy. But anyhow, job done. So the first thing I want to do, apart from putting my gloves on, is side dress my leek with my homemade compost. Now if you don't have homemade compost, then go down to your local garden centre and they'll have bags of cow manure or sheep manure or something like that. That's totally fine to use that. If you don't have any of that, then a side dress of pelletized chicken manure pellets is fine. It's all we want to do is keep them growing. So I'm at the beginning of winter now, so I just want to keep them growing, keep them ticking over. I don't want them to stress in any way for nutrient or anything like that. Keep them growing well. And I'm going to use my compost because it'll do the job. I'll apply it so both sides of the row. Try and keep it away from the stems. Don't want it hard up. It's not crucial, but it's one of those things to look out for. And I'm just gonna, did I say about 1 inch thick? I think I did. Same with your cow manure, about 1 inch thick will be great. In between the rows, in between the plants, well is good. And that's it. They will love that. I will also, not today, I will water this in, but in a couple of weeks I'll start liquid fertilizing. So again, whatever you've got locally, I use a product called Power Feed, which I find very effective, but there's hundreds of others. You can alternate every now and then with a bit of seaweed emulsion. Our product's called ℏ-Sol, but there's probably all different names all around the world. But there's one more thing I need to do, and I'll be right back. All right, now while I was away getting my bucket of mulch, it occurred to me that I might have been saying leek, not elephant garlic. I'm not sure, I haven't looked at the playback, but rest assured this is elephant garlic. The leek is down in the other garden bed, and I would do much the same with it as what I'm doing with the elephant garlic in here. But mulch is the last ingredient, and mainly for me it's for weed suppression at the moment, but as the days eventually get longer and warmer, it will also help to retain the moisture in the compost. So same as the mulch, about 1 inch thick between the plants, and it doesn't matter if this gets up around the stems all that much. There you go. So I need another bucket of compost, and I'll need another bucket of mulch, and I'll finish this off, and that's my Sunday morning job done. Okay, so cheers, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, helps my YouTube world go round. Any questions, by all means leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you, and if I can help in any way, I certainly will. Bye, cheers for now. Woohoo! If you want a bonus, I'll just show you this. I'm pretty stoked with this. I haven't in the past been able to grow a very good, or shallots very well, for various reasons, mostly my own doing, but I picked one up from the supermarket the same time as I did the elephant garlic here, and this is it here. He'll get the same treatment. I'll give him compost and mulch. Only gets the morning light, so as you can see there's a bit of a shadow there, so we're going into the shade, so it doesn't get a lot of light, but as the days get longer and everything, it'll get more light, and hopefully by Christmas time, November, somewhere around Christmas, I'll have a nice little clump of shallots. There's 1, 2, 3, I only planted one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all those leaders there, they all form bulbs and new shallots. Cool. Thanks ℏ𝕃𝔸𝔸𝕊.